Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my November Ipsy Glam Bag. If you want to see what I got inside, stick around and find out.
Must have been cold there in my shadow.
Okay everybody, welcome back. If you are still here, you obviously want to see what I got in my November Ipsy Glam Bag. For those of you that don't know about Ipsy, they have three different boxes, or three different bags. The first one is $12 a month. You get 5 sample or deluxe size sample products. Then they have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products. And they used to have the Ipsy Ultimate, but it's stopping. And now they have the Ipsy Glam XL, which will be starting in February. It will be quarterly. It will be $55, and you will get 7 to 8 full-size items. You will be able to pick 3 of those items. In the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you also get to pick 3 of your items. And in your regular Ipsy bag, you get to pick 1. I'm getting mine late this month because there was a problem with my shipping. This is only my second month getting the regular Glam Bag. As you guys know, I just got my one for October last week, my welcome bag. So this is my box for November, and I have not looked inside yet. I think I remember what's supposed to be in here, but I'm not sure. So let's see what's going on. Okay, I got 2 things that are outside of the box. This is the bag for this month. It's sort of like it's the exact same as the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, except for it's smaller. This one is leather, the other one is cloth, and it is a drawstring. I do like the little design on it. It's simplistic yet stylish, in my opinion. The 2 things that I found outside of the box, actually, let me open it up and see if I have a little card inside. Okay, so this month's theme is Be Present. I do know that, in my Glam Bag Plus, I did not have the items that I was supposed to get with the prices on it. And I do know that these are sample size and deluxe size samples, so the prices are not going to be accurate, but it does have the items that are supposed to be in my bag in here. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm pulling out is the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanser. That's a nice sample size for Tatcha. This says, dealing with oily skin, large pores, or uneven skin texture, this daily cleanser is here to get your skin back on track. This oil-free gel formula lathers into a creamy foam to eliminate dirt, oil, and buildup without over-drying your skin. Tip: squeeze into wet palms and gently massage until it turns into a creamy foam and rinse well. This is a deluxe sample, and the suggested retail price of the full-size product, which is 150 milliliters, is $36. I believe is what that says. And this is the deluxe sample size, and it is 25 milliliters. I'm pretty sure. And yeah, it does have a safety seal on it. I am not going to open it up. I have several cleansers open right now. I am so excited to have a Tatcha product though. I have never had anything from Tatcha, but I heard that it is wonderful. The next thing that I'm pulling out is the Modi Cosmetics A Perfect 10 Tapered Face Brush. I love getting brushes. I am a brush hoarder. As you guys know, I got a really awesome brush in my other Ipsy bag, that in my welcome bag that I got. It was a Shayna B Miami brush. I've never seen a brush like that before. This is a very nice thick brush. This will be very good for applying. I could use this for foundation. I could use it for powder. It's firm but soft at the same time. This says, this super versatile makeup brush multitasks almost as well as you do. The taper tip makes it easy to buff your powder foundation all over, blend your brush and bronzer into your cheeks, and apply your contour and highlighter powders along your cheekbones. Tip: once a week, gently clear this brush with soap and warm water and lay it flat to dry. And this is full size, and this goes for $22. So this brush is $22. The next thing that I'm pulling out, and this is what I picked, and I'm happy because this was supposed to be in my welcome package, and it wasn't. Nothing that was supposed to be in my welcome package was in there because they had to resend it back out. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I'm really happy for one because I need a moisturizer, like I'm almost out of all mine. This is a tiny sample, but as you can see, it is full to the top. It does have a little plastic seal on it. I want to see if it... Yes, it smells like bananas. I love the smell of bananas. I've heard quite a few people say that they don't like the smell of bananas. I love the smell of bananas. And as a matter of fact, I had just washed my face and I was getting ready to go to bed when I realized that my package had came. I did not know that my mother-in-law had set it out on the thing. I just took a little bit and I rubbed it into my hand. It does feel very moisturizing and it is absorbing completely. No greasy feeling, no buildup. Like I said, it is just a little sample size, but it is enough that I could get quite a few uses out of it, because usually with Glow Recipe and most moisturizers I've noticed, especially the ones that are thicker like this, a little bit goes a very long way. So, let's see what it says about this item. The Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. Like a smoothie for your skin, this banana, chai seed, and turmeric-infused moisturizer resets and replenishes your skin for a healthy glow. The rich souffle-like texture is deeply hydrating, but doesn't feel thick or heavy on the skin. A total win-win. Tip: dealing with rough, dry cuticles, massage them with a teeny bit of this moisturizing cream. This is a deluxe sample, and the retail price of the full version, which is 50 milliliters, is $39. And this is, you guys, my vision is so bad now. It is very hard for me to see. I do believe that this says that it is 10 milliliters. You have to excuse me. I am completely blind in my right eye now. Only thing I can see is everything is blurry. I can see shapes, but I can't see anything other than that. So I'm having a very hard time. I've been trying to get an appointment with the doctor to see if there's something they can do about it. It's been since I fell and hit my head on the curb when the car ran into the cart and knocked me down. The very next product that I'm pulling out is the Jules Smith Power Satin Matte Liquid Lipstick in Namaste All Day. What's your favorite gemstone? We guarantee Jules Smith has a beauty product to match it, like this beautiful neutral rose liquid lipstick. It's inspired by the power of agate, so every time you swipe it across your lips, we hope you'll feel creativity, harmony, and protection. Tip: exfoliate your lips first, then glide on the liquid lipstick for a pretty neutral rose tip. This is a deluxe sample, and the retail price for the full size is $18. Um, I got a product like this a long time ago from Ipsy, like way back when I first started getting Ipsy many years ago, and I got a double pack of these lipsticks, and one of them was Namaste All Day, and I can't remember what the other one was, but I can tell you that I know for sure that this was not the shade that the Namaste All Day was, because I like neutral colors, and it was more of a coral color. As you can see, I have no makeup on, and I put that on, and that is pretty neutral. So I am super excited about this. The only thing is if I got this product 2 years ago when I first started getting Ipsy, how long have they had this sitting around? And the very last product that I'm getting is the It's Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye Anti-Aging Concealer in 20.0 medium. I love It Cosmetics. I love the Bye Bye Under Eye. I've had it before, but I do believe that when I had it before, I had it in light medium. Medium may be a little bit too dark for me, especially this time of year when my skin is getting lighter. Yeah, see, as you guys can see, it's going to be just a little, maybe just a little dark. But maybe I could lighten it up by adding it with something else, because this is a very good concealer. And even though this is a little teeny tiny sample, this thing lasted me forever the last time I had it, because a little teeny tiny drop. Now, the thing that I do not like is that I feel that this is such a waste of packaging to use this big package for this little teeny tiny product. I feel that with everything that we are doing to try to save our environment, to use this much packaging for that little product is such a waste. This says that the It's Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye Anti-Aging Concealer. Late night and early mornings are no match for the under eye concealer. It's pretty much a magic eraser for dark circles. The ultra concentrated full coverage formula covers discoloration and brightens up your eye area without looking cakey or feeling heavy. A win-win. Tip: dab some on your under eye area and blend. You can use it as a foundation in a pinch. This is a deluxe sample, and the suggested retail price of the full size is, am I reading that right? Oh, $27. I thought it said 77. Guys, I am sorry. Like I said, my eyes are really, really horrible. So, let me go over once again what I got in my package this month. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, the Tatcha. Okay, so I got the Tatcha cleanser, which I am super excited about. I have never had anything from Tatcha, and I heard that it is wonderful. I got the Mode D Perfect 10 brush, which I always love getting brushes. I got the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. I love Glow Recipe, but everything I've had so far has been watermelon. I am excited to try a different scent, and I love banana, and I needed a moisturizer, so that's always a good thing. I got the Jules Smith Power Satin Matte Lipstick in Namaste All Day. It's on my lip right now. It dried down completely. It is a neutral color, which is perfect for this time of year, so I am super happy about that. And last but not least, I got the Bye Bye Under Eye Anti-Aging Concealer in medium. This is a great product. I've had it before. And like I said, this is the bag that came this month. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the Ipsy next month. I can't remember what my choice product was. It might have been the BoxyCharm that I might put on hold, because for some reason I think the BoxyCharm was the magnetic eyelashes, and I don't do eyelashes. I thought the choices really, really sucked. But that is my Ipsy bag for the month of November 2020. What did you guys think about it? What did you guys get in your bag? Did you guys get any of the same thing I got? Have you tried any of these products? If you have, can you leave a comment down below and tell me how they work? What do you think about them? Have any of you guys tried the Tatcha or the Banana Glow Recipe? I am very interested in these two products. Like I said, I have tried these two products before, and I know that I like them. And of course, who doesn't love getting a brush? But that is all that I have for you guys today. So, until next time, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and if nobody has told you today, I'm telling you, I love you. Until next time, love and hugs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.